Here is our girl. How old is she? Like 8 months and a half? And I just noticed that she mastered the crawling forward. Where's the lid? Yeah, where's the lid? I needed that lid to... Here. Lurly. Lurly! Come here.
Are you sure?
She did it. Now I distracted her. And there's a dog. Hey, Gaga, come here. Gaga, you like this, don't you? Hey. Girl, you use that. See? I said. See how good she is?
You got it. You're moving forward now, huh?
Okay, now I'm going to take it, so you have to do one more time for Mama. Here.
Is this called Army Crawl or Real Crawl?
Army Crawl. That sounds a good name. It's here. You can do it, Gaga. Gaga. Distracted. She got it.
Good girl, big girl. This is a very eventful weekend.
Yeah.
Here, pacifier. Don't tell Mama. It's a dirty pacifier. You have to stand up to get it.
Okay, that's it. Now you're gonna know how to crawl now. It will be a whole new world for us, okay?
You wanted me to sing A Whole New World?
Yeah, go.
I don't know if you're prompting me.
Okay, get ready. It's dirty. Why are you crawling?
For a role model. Good night.
Good night.
What? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, you're going backwards again.
You're sitting up. Can't focus on you. Okay, here.